Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. Here in this first page of settings you will click. Then in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Telegram, and you will enter to this page. Then we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi, and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.